Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing $500 to $1,000, even $5,000 in sales, all while you were sleeping. No inventory, no warehouse, no employees. That's the power of dropshipping, when done right. But here's the brutal truth. 90% of beginners fail because they rush in without a plan. They pick random products, run ads blindly, and expect overnight success. That's not how this works. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to build a profitable dropshipping store from scratch. I'll cover finding winning products, setting up your store, running ads, and scaling to $10,000 a month. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The number one mistake beginners make? Choosing the wrong niche. If you pick something random, like fidget spinners or phone cases, you'll never make consistent money. Instead, choose a niche that meets these 3 golden rules. Solves a real problem. Think health, fitness, beauty, pets. Has passionate buyers. People who spend money impulsively. Has repeat purchase potential. So you make money long-term. Step 2. Finding winning products. Okay, so you have a niche. But how do you find winning products? Here's how the pros do it. Method number 1. Use AliExpress and Amazon bestsellers. Method number 2. Spy on competitors. Method number 3. TikTok and social media trends. Here's a trick. If a product is trending on TikTok but not yet sold by major brands, jump on it fast. This is how dropshippers make insane profits. Step 3. Setting up your store the right way. Now let's build your store. Don't waste time on fancy designs. You need a clean, high-converting Shopify store. Essentials for a winning store: professional theme, debutify, booster, etc. High-quality product images and videos, clear pricing and urgency, countdown timer, stock scarcity, trust badges and customer reviews. And don't forget, your store should feel like a real brand, not a random dropshipping page. Step 4. Getting traffic and sales. Now that your store is ready, how do you get actual buyers? Paid traffic, fastest. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram ads. Organic traffic, slower but free. TikTok and IG Reels, Pinterest influencer marketing. Micro-influencers with 10K to 100K followers. Want instant sales? Try influencer marketing. Pay a TikTok influencer $50 to promote your product. If it goes viral, you'll make thousands overnight. Step 5. Scaling to 10K per month and beyond. Once you make your first sales, it's time to scale up fast. The secret? Double down on what's working. How to scale dropshipping. Successfully, increase budget on profitable ads. Test new creatives, videos, sharing images. Retarget past visitors who didn't buy ad upsells and bundles to increase cart value. Dropshipping isn't about luck, it's about analyzing and optimizing. Now you have the exact blueprint to start a profitable dropshipping business. But remember, watching this video won't make you money. Taking action will. And before you go, here are 10 powerful dropshipping platforms to help you get started, and check the description for links to each one. Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more learning videos.